Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Intel channel. Today we'll be discussing KASPA's next target price, as well as updates leading up to the Toccata hard fork in June 2026. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the bell icon so you can always stay up to date on what's happening in the market. It takes you literally a second, but for me it's motivation to improve the quality and level of the videos on the channel. We have a lot to discuss, so let's get started right away. Here's what today's video will cover. KASPA is aiming for a market capitalization of $10 billion ahead of the Toccata hard fork in June 2026. Below, we can also see that fair tokenomics at launch, over 10,000 transactions per second, and the issuance of its own assets create the conditions for a significant revaluation of KASPA. And below, we have 4 topics. KASPA's Toccata hard fork targets mainnet activation between June 5th and June 20th, 2026, enabling native token issuance. With 95.4% of KAS already in circulation, supply dilution risk remains far lower than most competing Layer 1 networks. KASPA processes over 10,000 TPS at peak loads, far outpacing Bitcoin's 7 TPS and Litecoin's 56 TPS throughput. A $10 billion market cap would place KAS at roughly $0.365 per token, representing a 10.7 times gain from current levels. KASPA KAS is drawing renewed attention from the crypto community ahead of a major network upgrade. The blockchain, known for its proof-of-work architecture and high throughput, is targeting a $10 billion market cap. Currently down 83% from its all-time high, the project carries several upcoming catalysts. These include the Toccata hard fork, scheduled between June 5th and June 20th, 2026. With 95.4% of its supply in circulation, KASPA presents a distinct structure among Layer 1 competitors. KASPA's fair launch separates it from competing Layer 1 networks. KASPA launched in November 2021 through a fair launch similar to Bitcoin. Every KAS token in existence was mined, with no team allocations or investor reserves. There are no unlock schedules, and no early backers are waiting to exit. This removes a recurring source of selling pressure common across many Layer 1 networks. Many competing Layer 1 networks carry heavy token unlock schedules that weigh on price action. According to our Crypto Talk, SUI is down 83% from its all-time high, with 61% of its supply still locked. SEI's circulating supply has nearly doubled, from 3 billion to 6.7 billion tokens. KASPA's supply, by contrast, is nearly fully distributed. By the end of 2026, new emission approaches zero as the network reaches its emission cliff. This means a 10 times price target requires roughly a 10 times market cap increase. Competing chains facing supply growth need a 20 times or 30 times market cap expansion to achieve the same result. At a $10 billion market cap, KASPA would trade at approximately $0.365 per token. That would represent a 10.7 times increase from current price levels. With supply near its ceiling, new capital flows translate more directly into price movement. Toccata hard fork and technical milestones set a new course for KASPA. The Toccata hard fork targets mainnet activation between June 5th and June 20th, 2026. It introduces native asset issuance, allowing developers to issue tokens directly on the network. KRC20 tokens become a base layer feature for the first time. From there, DeFi, NFTs, lending protocols, and tokenized assets all become possible. KASPA's throughput already separates it from other proof-of-work chains. The network runs 10 blocks per second since the Crescendo upgrade and has processed nearly 2 billion cumulative transactions. At peak loads, the network has reached over 10,000 TPS. Bitcoin processes around 7 TPS, and Litecoin handles approximately 56. Additional upgrades are planned beyond the Toccata hard fork. Silverscript will add new developer tooling and zero-knowledge infrastructure directly at the base layer. The DAG upgrade is also in development, along with potential major exchange listings. Each of these could serve as a standalone catalyst for the network's valuation. Taken together, these milestones mark a shift for KASPA from a payments chain to a programmable Layer 1. Near-complete supply distribution, stacked upgrades, and an approaching emission cliff create an unusual setup for 2026. Whether the $10 billion target materializes will depend on timely execution and broader market conditions. And friends, don't forget to leave your thoughts on the KASPA coin in the comments below this video, what your plans, hopes, and expectations are for it. The best and most engaging comment will be featured in the next video. Just a reminder, friends, informational and news videos are posted on the channel every day, so you won't get bored here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're always up to date on all the latest news. And if you liked this video, please support me with a like. Your like is my motivation. Thanks to everyone for watching, and see you next time.